Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, My English Journey. Today I am going to explain the difference between say and tell. Many students get confused between these two words. First, let's understand say. We use say when we focus on the word what someone speaks. We do not always mention to listener. For example, she said I am happy. He said that he was busy. I said sorry. No. Now let's understand tell. We use tell when we mention the person we are speaking to. After tell, we usually use a person structure. Tell plus someone plus something. Example: she told me the truth. He told her a story. Sorry, please tell me again. Important difference. We say something, but we tell someone something. Focus on wrong word. Wrong word. He told that she is tired. Okay. Correct word is she said that she is tired. That's all for today. If you like this video, support me and keep practice English daily. Of course, you can do it. Thank you for watching my video.